I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip it, now she remixing for low. She my track queen.
Hey guys, what's up? Look, it's Ariel today. I'm gonna do another. As you can see, my hair is really messy. Just came back from praying. So, yeah. I'm gonna do another squishy video, or should I say squishy tag. Yeah, so this squishy tag you can read. And it's also above or out from the full screen. It's the ABC squishy tag created by Squishy Fantasy Shop. As you can see, my t-shirt is really wet. Yes, don't think sick, please. Let's get started. So, first A will be this Ayama Tokyo strawberry toast, and it's not that squishy. It is squishy though, pretty squishy. You just fold it and purposely defect it. That's easier to see. It smells like strawberry milk. So let me move on to B. I don't know where is it. Okay, here is it. So Bear Skull pancake. It's pretty squishy. And this is the tag. The sweet some mascot. The Bear Skull sweet mascot. So C is this chow cream. It's squishy. Very squishy. Very squishy. Something is going on in the kitchen, and something always happens. I think I told you guys the story already. Maybe not. I don't know. About my house is haunted. So yeah, I'm used to it. So it smells really good. Next, D is this donut with sprinkles. Bracket yellow. So E, forgot what's E. Oh yeah, I don't have E. So let me bite a squishy. Let me just choose one squishy and bite it every time when I don't have. Holy shoot! I shouldn't keep this inside. It's affecting my squishies. Yeah, and you guys know the reason why I picked this up, because I need to buy this. Buy this all the time, so I don't want to keep this inside here anymore. Okay, so let me bite it. Wait, let me find another one first. Okay, let me just buy this. This Ayama Tokyo or iBloom or whatever. Trying to find any license if there is, because I'm stupid. I have no idea what license is that. So let me buy this. 10 seconds. No taste. E, F. F is a frog. This Ikiru and friends for around. The crotch part is more softer, and the other parts are also hard. Yeah, even this part is hard, but only this part is really soft. Yeah. Okay. Let me just check FG, right? And I don't know if this is G, but my friend Megan said it's G. I think it's called, I forgot what is it called. What's up? We like chat a lot, so hold on. So she said it was a Gudetama ice cream, and she was talking about this, and yeah, but I don't know if this is even Gudetama, but I think Gudetama is an egg, but I don't care. This is just Gudetama ice cream. I just take it as it is. Ah! Show how to whip it. I should really make something. Okay, G, H. H, I have hamburger. Then that's where all of how to whip it. After H is what? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Yeah, that's how I am. Okay, I is obviously, you guys can see the I, no peach. But I think that's kind of cheating, but I ain't tripping. Right with Romeo boys or not? Okay, so it's really squishy. And the scent is really it's really strong, and I can smell it from here, like this distance. Peach smell, even if I have a nose block. Sorry if I'm like looking here, looking at the screen. I'm supposed to look there, like here at you, your eye or whatever. I'm looking at the squishiness of this. So. Okay, I, J, Jumbo. I think it's kind of cheating. So jumbo bread, I think. K, Capybara San sleeper. I don't know why some people say like Capybara San. I don't know. Capybara San sleeper. I'm not a hater of that. I'm just wondering. And some people squish it like that. I don't know why. But I squish it like that or like that. Yeah, there's a air bubble there. You can see that. K. Damn it. L. I don't have anything for L. So let me divide this, the melon thingy. Now does it taste? I don't know why I smelled it though. It's so bitter. Okay, M. Is this a melon bun? N. What's N? What's N? I think I have no N. And let me find some N. You know what? So, oh, darn. It's so not nice. P, penguin. Wait, what's after P? I think it's Q. Q. Q and wait. Q, R. I don't have Q. Okay, Q. Q. It's just, it's so wet. Okay, let me just buy it one that's like bitten. Oh. I thought my slime were bad. R. Rilakkuma. The burger is Rilakkuma. So. And I don't have any more Rilakkuma squishies except for this and something. S. Sammy. Ice cream sandwich. Whipping a sugar mix and balloon. Drag queen. T. Turtle. U. Ugly man. Here's the tag. And here's the tag for the Sammy ice cream sandwich. V. I don't have anything for V. Yeah, nothing for V. It's really wet. Sorry, rare. So bad. Q. Wait. V. Wait. I lost freaking count. V. W. White Taiyaki. Damn it. M is supposed to be this. Whatever. W and I don't have X. Like almost no one have X. Or everyone I know. Let me take a big bite. Nothing. And there is a little bit. So Y. Yellow cake roll. It's actually green, but yellow it is. Okay. And lastly, Zack AQ. Zack AQ. And now, yo ho. Remember something. It's, yeah. And I lost the body, by the way. If you're wondering, if you don't watch my videos. So that's all for the ABC Squishy tag. And I tag everyone watching. Yeah. If you're wondering what squishy I'm squishing, is the Capybara song. Like her. Okay. So I have so many squishes here. Like, oh my god. Actually, I can. Oh my gosh, I have L. Karaya. They have L. L is lips. You guys can't see the squishy that well, but it's pretty squishy. Here you guys can see. Wait. There we go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, peace. Peace.